Hi. Hi everyone. In the session 5, we are going to discuss about the different routing algorithms and particularly the hierarchical routing algorithms. The hierarchical routing, in our routing, the study so far idealization, we see the all routers are identical, the network is flat, but it is not true in the practice because we have usually the 600 million destination has to like the packets has to transfer the 600 million destination. So because the all the routers cannot store all the destinations in the routing tables, and it is practically impossible to store all the routing destinations in a table. The routing table exchange would swamp the links. The internet, as you know, it's a network of networks. So it is very difficult to store all the 600 million destinations in a routing table. So, and even the network admin may wants to control the routing in its own network. So the aggregate routers into the regions called as autonomous systems. The autonomous systems runs in the same routing protocol. So we have an intra-AS routing protocol. The routers in a different AS can run differently intra-AS routing protocols. The gateway of the routers. The gateway is the edge of its the AS intra-AS routing, and it has a link to router in another AS. So you can observe here there are three AS1, AS2 and AS3. The both are connected via intra-AS routing algorithms. The forwarding table configured by both intra and inter-AS routing algorithms. The in intra-AS sets entirely for the internal destination, and the internal AS and intra-AS sets entries for external destination. In the inter-AS, suppose the router AS1 receive a datagram destined outside of the AS1. So the router should forward the packets to gateway of the router, but which one? So which one? Because it doesn't have the destination routing address. So in that cases, the AS1 must learn which destination are reachable through AS2, through which AS3, and the AS1 propagates this reachability information to all the routers in AS1. The examples, the setting forward table in a router. Suppose AS1 learns via inter-AS protocol that subnet X reachable via AS3, gateway C1, but not via AS2. The inter-AS protocol propagates the reachability information to all the internal routers. The router only determines from the intra-AS routing information to that its interface is the least cost path to 1C. By choosing the multiple AS. Now suppose here you can observe the AS1 learns from inter-AS protocol that subnet X is reachable from AS3 and from AS2. To configure the forwarding table, the router must determine which gateway it should forward the packets towards for the destination X. This is also the job for inter-AS routing protocol. Choosing among multiple AS. Suppose the AS1 learns from the inter-AS protocol that subnet X is reachable from AS3 and from AS2. To configure the forwarding table, the router 1D must determine the towards which gateway it should forward the packets for destination X. This is also a job for inter-AS routing protocol. So we can call this as a hot potato routing, which sends the packet and uses the routing info from the intra-AS protocol to determine the cost of least cost pass to each of the gateways. Then the hot potato routing chooses the gateway that has the smallest least cost. Then determine from the forwarding table the interface that leads to least cost gateway. Enter the forwarding. That then we'll be having the routing in the internet, the different techniques RIP, OSPF, and BGP. Intra-AS routing, it is also known as Interior Gateway Protocols, IGP. The most common intra-AS routing protocols are RIP routing information protocol, OSPF open shortest path first, IGRP interior gateway routing protocol, which is Cisco proprietary. The BGP is the router's peer exchange BGP messages. The advertising the paths to different destination network prefixes the path vector protocol exchange over semi-permanent TCP connections. When AS3 advertises a prefix to AS1, the AS3 promises it will forward the datagrams towards that prefix. AS3 can aggregate the prefixes in its advertisement. Distributing the path information. Distributing the path information. Advertised prefixes include BGP attributes, prefix plus attributes, which is called as a route. The two important attributes is AS path contains the AS through which prefix advertisement has passed. The next hop indicates the special internal AS router to next hop, which may be multiple links from the current AS to the next AS. Third one is gateway router receiving the route advertisement uses the important policy. How the BGP route selection? The router may learn about more than one route to destination AS. The local preference value the attributes and shortest AS path and closest next hop route. And we have a different BGP messages exchanged between the peers over TCP connection. The BGP messages are open, update, keep alive, notification. The open indicates the open the TCP connection to peer and authenticates the sender. The update advertises a new path, keep alive, keeps the connection alive in the absence of updates, also acknowledges the open request. The notification reports error in the previous messages. Putting it all together, how does an entire get into your router forwarding table? How does the entry get the information table? You can see here the example, how it has been done. The entry level, the routing algorithms, and assumes the prefix is another AS. How does the entry get into the forwarding table? High level review. The router becomes aware of the prefix. The router determines the output port for prefix. Router enters the prefix port in forwarding table. This is a BGP message contain routes. The route is a prefix and attributes AS path next hop. The example which shows a messaging format like this. Router may receive multiple routes for the same prefix. Select best BGP route to prefix. The router selects the route based on the shortest AS path. So you can see here the first route is select because it has a shortest destination address. So this is hot potato routing. Suppose there are two or more best inter-routers, then choose the route with closest next hop. Use OSPF to determine which gateway is closest. In summary, the router becomes aware of the prefix via BGP route advertisement from the other routes. Determine router's output port for prefix. Use BGP route selection to find the best inter-AS route. Use OSPF to find the best intra-AS route leading to the best inter-AS route. Routers identifies the router port for best route. This is a policies which uses by the BJP, and why the different inter-interacting route is. Policies in inter-AS, the admin wants to control over how it traffic routed, who routes through its net. In inter-AS, the single admin, so no policy decision needed. The scale, the hierarchical routing saves the table size, reduced update traffic. And it completes the session 5 of the videos. Thank you.